What is up again, guys? Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video that doesn't involve the BRZ. Today we're going to be working on our friend Zach's 2025 Subaru WRX. He's got a catback exhaust for us to install, which is going to be pretty exciting. We're going to start off the video with a stock exhaust clip for reference. The exhaust that we're going to be putting on is an Aeroflow Dynamics F1 full blue titanium catback exhaust.
I need a thumbnail, do something funny. Alright.
Normally this exhaust new, including shipping, would cost you around $1,000. Our friend Zach here managed to find one on Marketplace used, but in pretty good condition for $500. So he pretty much got it for half off, which is pretty awesome. If there's any tool that I'd recommend on doing any kind of job like this that revolves removal of the exhaust on your vehicle, I would definitely recommend some exhaust hanger removal pliers. These make the job hundreds of times easier, and you also mitigate the risk of injuring your hands, which happened to a lot of us. Now this video isn't exactly a tutorial, but I'm going to give the basic rundown on how we put it on, since with the right amount of tools this job is actually fairly easy. You have the resonator back here, which is where the exhaust installs onto, and you are going to be reusing the same hardware, which is this bolt with a spring that is a 14, and I believe the nut on the other side is a 12. The gasket is also reusable as well. This exhaust is a 3-piece, and all of them come together with these 2 clamps, which I believe are also 14s. And you also have this clamp, which acts as the hanger for the muffler in the back. And after you boot all those up, it's pretty much on there.
Think.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's fine, it's fine.